How to turn on Safe Search filter in Google Chrome. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the Safe Search settings in Google Chrome to protect users from inappropriate content. So, when you lend your devices to friends or family, this increases the risk of accessing harmful websites. So, I'll show you how to prevent these unwanted websites. You need to go to your Google Chrome and then head over to three dots in the bottom right and then swipe to the left and head over to settings. You need to go to privacy and security and then go to safe browsing. And if it is set to no protection, then you can either set it to standard protection or enhanced protection. So you can see how it protects your Google Chrome. You can see the description right there. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.